An aerial view of the sand dunes rising to reveal Killyhoe Beach and Hornhead.
Along the dramatic coastline of Donegal sits the historic village of Dunfanaghy,
An aerial view of Dunfanaghy Bay and the village.
where time and tide combine in a unique Irish landscape. A welcoming beacon for those looking to explore the rugged coast and beyond.
Historic images with a car passing and ducks sitting on the quiet main street, the Workhouse before its restoration.
Dunfanaghy Workhouse has extended the hand of friendship since 1845, and this proud tradition continues. Today it stands as a powerful symbol of resilience and respect to this important chapter in Irish history.
Outside images of the fully restored building and a person enjoying a coffee.
And is a hive of activity for visitors and community alike.
People inside enjoying music by a singer and fiddle player.
A friendly hub of local knowledge and a venue for authentic Irish arts, culture and history.
An old settle bed and drying press next to the open fire in the exhibition.
Our exhibition gives a fascinating insight into the lives lived at the Workhouse during the Great Famine.
An historic image of the Workhouse and wee Hannah Heritage.
Told through the eyes of survivor wee Hannah Heritage. Pop into our cinema to catch a glimpse of local life in times gone by.
People enjoying archive footage in the cinema with Errigal mounted on the screen.
And kids of all ages will love the outdoor play park.
A maritime-themed play park with swing, slides and miniature ship. A view of the craft shop with a visitor looking at a traditional woolen jumper.
Browse our craft store for the perfect authentic gift, or unwind over coffee in our cosy cafe.
A lively cafe scene with visitors enjoying refreshments. Workhouse staff sharing local information with a tourist group.
Our staff love to share information on the best local places to visit and explore, often off the beaten path.
Panoramic aerial shot of the Workhouse rising to show the village, church, Sheephaven Bay and Hornhead.
A warm welcome awaits at Dunfanaghy Workhouse, where history is shared and great adventures begin.
Circular logo appears on screen with text 1843 Workhouse, Tour, Crafts, Café, Dunfanaghy, County Donegal.